Wishing you a very good morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are healthy and fit. This is the part 2nd of chapter 12, Force, Energy and Work. In the last module, we had discussed about force. Today, we learn about machines. So, let's start. In our daily life, we use many types of machines which do our work in less time and easier. So tell me, what is a machine? A machine is a device that works in a more easier and faster way. By using a machine, less effort and energy is needed to complete our tasks, and the tools which we are using for make our work easier, that tools we are called a simple machines. For example, a pair of scissors and hammer. Now there are 6 types of simple machines. First is lever, pulley, wheel axles, inclined plane, wedge and screw. We will discuss all these types of machines one by one. Lever. A lever is a rigid rod arranged in such a manner that it can move freely around a fixed point. It consists of 3 parts. First is fulcrum, load and effort. Fulcrum, it is the main point where the rod is fixed. Load, it is the weight that is to be lifted and moved from one place to another. Effort, it is the force that we apply to move or lift the object. Okay? According to the position of load, fulcrum, effort, the lever are classified into 3 types. First is first class lever, second class lever and the third class lever. The first class levers in which the fulcrum is located between load and the effort. A pair of scissors, seesaw and a crowbar are examples of first class levers. Now the second class lever in which load is located between fulcrum and effort. For example, a wheelbarrow, a bottle opener and a nut cracker. Last type of lever is third class lever. In this, the fulcrum is at one end of the lever. The effort is between fulcrum and the load. For example, stapling machine and the fishing rod. Okay, I hope you understand. Now the inclined plane. An inclined plane is a flat surface which has one end higher than the other. When an object is moved up an inclined plane, less effort is needed. It makes work easy to load and unload heavy objects. Some common examples of inclined plane are a slopey, wooden plank, ramps, roads on hills, slide, staircase, ladder, etc. A inclined plane is also called a slopey plane. Now wedge. A wedge is a thick at one end, thin and sharp edge at the other end. Wedges are often used to cut or split object. Example of wedges include the head of axis, cutting edge of a knife and fork. Now the next simple machine is screw. It is also an inclined plane, but it is a spiral at one end and holds the object frame. For example, screw cap of bottle, screw jack, which is used for lifting the vehicle, wheel and axle. This simple machine consists of a wheel rigidly attached to a rod. That rod is called the axle. When one rotates the wheel, the axle also rotates. We find a wheel and axle machine in a swing machine and the bicycle. The steering wheel of a car is also an example of wheel and axle machine. Now the last simple machine is pulley. A pulley is made up of a wheel and a rope or a chain or a belt. The rope fits on the grub of the wheel. One part of the rope is attached to the load. The pulley is used to lift heavy loads. The force is applied at one end of the rope, holds the load at the other end that rises up. The pulley rotates on its axis. The pulley makes it easier to draw water from the well. Okay, I hope you understand. Now your homework questions. Question first, what are the simple machines? And question second, name the types of simple machines. You have to note down these questions in your notebook positively. Now thank you and have a nice day. Keep studying.